Top 10 benefits of red wine. Number 10. Helps keep your eyes healthy. Resveratrol in red wine may help control vas growth within the eye and helps reduce vision loss with age. Number 9. Better gut health. Studies have shown that red wine drinkers had a more diverse microbiome compared to non-red wine drinkers. The polyphenols in red wine act as a prebiotic and can help feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. Number 8. Lower blood sugar levels. Resveratrol in red wine can help regulate glucose levels. Resveratrol may increase insulin secretion and activate a protein that helps regulate glucose and insulin sensitivity. Number 7. Stronger bones. Of course, we all know calcium in dairy is great for bone health, but red wine is also great as it contains high levels of silicon. Silicon plays a big role in bone health as it increases the density of the bones, making them stronger. Number 6. Brain health. Drinking red wine on a regular basis can help prevent the brain's neurons from dying. It can also slow down and prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Also, compounds in red wine can help increase blood flow to the brain, improving your cognitive function. Number 5. Lower blood pressure. The polyphenols in red wine may help lower blood pressure. In one study of people with elevated blood pressure were given red wine extract. At the end of the study, both of their systolic and diastolic pressure improved. The study concluded that the antioxidant-rich polyphenols were responsible. Number 4. Cancer prevention. Studies have shown that the antioxidant-rich resveratrol may reduce the risk of cancer. Red wine drinkers have shown a lower risk of colon and prostate cancer. This could also be due to other compounds in red wine. Number 3. Heart health. Research has shown that there are positive benefits to your heart health from red wine. Ethanol, which is alcohol, can combine with the polyphenols in red wine to create several positive effects for the heart and cardiovascular system. Red wine also has powerful antioxidants which bind with free radicals to prevent the formation of blood clots and reduce the chances of a heart attack. Number 2. Decreases stress. A glass of red wine can help relieve stress and promote relaxation. A study from the University of California demonstrated the relaxing properties of red wine. There is an enzyme in the skin of the red grape that deactivates the cellular stress response system. It also increases endorphin levels and decreases blood pressure, resulting in a relaxing effect. Number 1. Increased life expectancy. Red wine is packed full of antioxidants which can help defend the body against free radical damage that could harm your cells and organs. Resveratrol also increases the production of a protein called sirtuin. Sirtuins help your body protect itself against diseases of aging. According to a Dutch study, men who drink red wine on a regular basis lived 3.8 years longer than those who don't. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.